A separate Supreme Court has advised government consider discriminating adolescent love Supreme Court to government. Center to set up panel report by July 15 to ensure that adolescent does not get sent to jail under the Protection of Children from Social Sexual Offences Act POSCO from being in romantic relationship. Supreme Court has directed the center to consider discriminating such consensual relationship and frame a policy for sexual reproduction health education in the country. Bench of Justice Abhay Asoka and Ujjwal Bhuvan issued notice to the central government through the Ministry of Women and Child Development to form an expert committee to examine the unfiled report before it by July 25. The court said it would pass further directions after getting the report. The trigger for the court order was the legal battle for a woman from West Bengal to protect her husband, who was sentenced to 20 years jail under POSCO for having relationship with her when she was a 14-year-old. The court has appointed two senior women advocates, Madhvi Diwan and Liz Matthew, to assist it on sensitive issue, and they suggested that adolescents in consensual relationship needed to be protected. They suggested that while POSCO Act shared essential purpose for protecting minors from sexual exploitation, the rigged application in case of adolescent lead to outcome that may not align with the best interest of the prosecutrix and her dependents. They also pointed out that various high courts, including Delhi, Madras, have taken a nuanced approach in such cases and interpreted the statement of the observers and reasons for POSCO Act as not intending to criminalize the consensual romance. In several cases, Madras High Court adopted legal interpretation that consensual act did not fulfill the requirement of adult of the consensual relationship must be protected. POSCO Act meant for point out several high courts, including Delhi and Madras, have taken an adolescent boy and girl who are in the grips of their hormones and biological changes and whose decision-making ability to fully develop should essentially receive the support and guidance of parents. It is very wrong. It should not be considered. This will left the provision of law in vanish. We oppose the advice of Supreme Court fully. The Supreme Court wants to a loophole for love jihad, and no boy or girls are allowed to have sex under 18. It is wrong, we feel you opposed it.